Hi everyone, I'm John Cora, the marketing manager for Jarvis Law Office. Recently during a meeting, one of our care navigators, Brenda Lash, shared a story with how she helped one of our families get their loved one out of a bad situation in a facility. So today, I want to have Brenda sit down with you and explain how she helped this family out and what you can do if you find your family in the same situation.
Hello everyone, I'm Brenda Lash. I'm a social worker and care navigator with Jarvis Law Office.
Well, what were some of the signs that the nursing home wasn't the right fit for that client?
Well, the biggest red flag was the client was really isolated and very unhappy, and the family was very frustrated.
How did the family first reach out to you, and what were their main concerns?
Well, whenever I first came on board, actually the first visit that I had with the client and their family, they had multiple concerns that weren't being addressed. And they had chosen the facility based on location because they thought it was going to be a short-term situation. They didn't realize that it was going to need to be a long-term living situation.
What steps did you take to evaluate the other facilities that would be a better fit for this client?
I had developed relationships with a lot of different facilities in the area. I had other clients in other facilities, and I always try to go out and visit facilities, build relationships with the staff, and educate myself on what's available so that whenever needs do arise, then I'm ready to match that person with the situation.
And how did the client and their family respond once the move was complete?
Absolutely thrilled. No regrets about changing facilities. The client is thriving, they're active, very involved in the life of the facility, so it really turned out well.
And what advice would you give to someone who feels like their loved one may not be the best care setting?
Well, the number one thing is communication with the staff, sitting down with the interdisciplinary team, arranging a care conference, seeing if they can address those concerns. If things don't get better, I definitely would talk to the social service person or the discharge planner in the facility to see if they can help to find another placement, or if needed, there's also the ombudsman that can help to resolve conflicts and concerns.
Well, we thank Brenda for her help today in explaining how care navigation works. If you would like to know more about care navigation, you can give us a call, 740-699-2193. Check us out online, jarvisfirm.com, or shoot us an email at wecare@jarvisfirm.com. Thank you so much, and we hope you have a great day.